My name is Tyler.
Hi, I'm Pierluigi.
I'm Eileen Wang.
Stephanie Benoit Terrazas.
I'm Luca.
I am Marco.
My name is Massimiliano, but everybody calls me Massi. I'm from Torre Annunziata, a small village close to Naples.
I live in Capitola, California.
I live in Cremona, Italy.
I live in Grand Rapids, Michigan, USA.
I live in Toronto, Canada.
I live in Milan and I'm a senior customer success manager at Beefree.
Beefree to me means that you can be free to create whatever you want, wherever you want, whenever you want.
Beefree means that the sky's the limit and you're just trying to unlock your fullest potential with no bounds, no obstacles, and just with the most supportive people in the world.
Beefree means that I can adapt the work to my life and not life to work.
Be free to me means being able to be who I am in the workplace.
Being Beefree means that we are enabling people to be themselves and to be creative and to make their own way in life. Beefree is unique because it's a mix between an amazing group of people working here and an incredible company culture that we are surrounded with.
It's really the melding together of all of these different people from around the world, and we've come together to ignite amazing collaboration and new ideas.
Everyone is very kind and welcoming and open and so intelligent and capable at their jobs.
I've never been around such an inspirational group of people that work their hardest day in and day out to problem solve.
And there's a lot of respect and a deep sense of community that I've come to appreciate as being integral to my life. And I think that everyone that I work with adds something to the experience.
I am Be Free.
I am Beefree.
I am Beefree.